Thanks for checking our videos out. We're gonna do the stand assembly for the FastFerment here. This is the collapsible stand, real easy to put together. Basically, we're gonna take the 4 legs and we are gonna screw them into the holes on the small ring. So small ring first. All right, so now that we've got all 4 legs in, we are gonna start with the top ring. So we'll start with 1 bolt in the top ring, and we will find one through. Perfect. Thread that in. So we get the one started. Once we got the first one started, we're gonna spin the stand. We're gonna put the opposite side in, so we're gonna have to bend it out just slightly so that everything lines up. Totally fine on the stand, how it was designed. So that, we'll get that one started a little bit. Now you can either use pliers or an Allen key to get it in. The Allen key is a little bit easier, but the pliers work just as well too. I've done many of them like that. So we'll get it in, start her up, no big deal. Tighten that, and then basically we'll just pop the legs out and install the other sides. Good. Just as easy as that. FastFerment stand all ready to go. Thanks very much for watching our videos. If you guys ever needed a hand, need help at all, suggestions, feedback, anything, please feel free to reach out to us. Our 1-800 number literally goes to our cell phones, and we're always on our email, so drop us a line, say what's up. Thanks very much. Take care. Cheers.